और बिलावल भुट्टो ने जनूबी एशिया में देरपा अमन पाकिस्तान और भारत के मरबूत मुज़ाकरात से मशरूत कर दिया। उन्होंने ख्वाहिश जाहिर की है कि सदर ट्रंप इस मामले में किरदार अदा करें। उन्होंने भारत की जानिब से न्यू नॉर्मल की इस्तिलाह को खित्ते की सलामती के लिए ख़तरा करार दे दिया।
Like the United States and President Trump played a role in encouraging us to achieve this ceasefire, I believe that they should play their part in encouraging both sides to engage in a comprehensive dialogue. I think that the fate of 1.7 billion people in our two great nations should not be left in the hands of these nameless, faceless, non-state actors. And this new normal that India is trying to impose on the region, that if there's a terrorist attack anywhere in India, you don't have to provide a shred of proof, but you go straight to war. And the law of reciprocity means that if there's a terrorist attack in Pakistan, we have to do the same. And that's reduce the threshold between military conflict between two nuclear armed states.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।